Sculptures under the sea. Tourists diving or snorkeling off the beautiful Yucatan Peninsula near Cancun, Mexico, might not believe their eyes. That's because there are amazing sculptures of men, women, and children up to 8 meters below the waves. Sea creatures will soon share the bottom of Mexico's Caribbean Sea with the world's largest underwater sculpture park. Eventually, there will be 400 life-size sculptures, including people holding hands in a circle, cyclists, office workers, and pets. The sculptor, Jason DeCaires Taylor, cast his statues from local people, so divers might even see someone they recognize. Jason hopes that his sculptures will encourage people to think about the environment. Pollution and hundreds of thousands of visitors per year are damaging Mexico's coral reefs. Jason wants people to swim to the underwater sculpture park instead of the damaged reefs. He creates the statues from cement that attracts sea creatures and encourages coral to grow on them. So if you ever visit Cancun, why not put on your flippers and snorkel and swim out to this amazing park? In time, you probably won't be able to see the sculptures, but you will see a stunning new coral reef.